see the locust lake if the lake is on ice, because my hobby here like to ice fishing here because there's a lot of trout that is added to this lake. I'm gonna show you what this locust lake, Tuscarora, I'm sorry, Tuscarora look like. This is pretty big. We used to put our boat in here back then when we have the smaller boat, but ever since we have the bigger boat, we can't, you're not supposed to put it in this lake because it's a little bit bigger. So anyway guys, I'm gonna show you what the Tuscarora look like here. It's really a lot of it's beautiful nature, and oh, they're not even ice up here. So you guys say hi, honey. So, look at this guy. Wow, there's people here. They must be walking through the wood, and sometimes they do fishing. They're fishing.
It could be.
So here we are, and this is Tuscarora Lake. It's a large mountain and very quiet. Yeah, sometimes people like to walk here just to enjoy the nature, and it's cold today here. This is we used to put our launch our boat here, and sometimes you can catch some trout, different kind of fish here in the lake. The sun's out, and over there we used to go walk in there because people camp in here during the summer. I love this lake, so quiet, and right now it's very cold. We came over here to check if this lake is completely ice, but I guess not. But you could see in there, they look like an ice halfway, right, hon?
Yeah, that's never look.
Yeah.
It's still fish here though.
Yeah, you could still fish,
Sure.
but it's not ice fishing. There's some big fish in here too. During the summer, I like come over here just to fish. This is the only thing I can show you right now. This is Tuscarora Lake. Locust Lake is the other one that we go for fishing. It's very nice here, guys. Very nature. And also, you can camp in here. There's a lot of walking distance and walking park in here and picnic during the summer. So, thank you all for watching. Give a like if you like this video and leave a comment and subscribe, please. Love you guys. Bye.